In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trigger an animation by using a mouse or keyboard node in the logic editor. I'll share a link where you can download the example file used in this tutorial. Let's open actions.blend file, that is included in the Armory 3D examples package. Let's run the game to see the end result first. When we press 1, the idle animation plays. When we press 2, the running animation plays. When we press 3, the slashing animation plays. When we press 4, the animation stops. When we press 5, the animation resumes. This is how the nodes were constructed. A keyboard node was used to trigger one being pressed. And the node goes to the play action node to trigger the idle animation. A new node called pause action is used when the user presses 4 to stop the animation. Another new node called resume action is used when the user presses 5 to resume the animation. I noticed the animation continuously plays in the beginning and wondered if I can start the scene while the character is not affected by animations. I started the scene by using a blank animation and triggered a spinning animation only when the left button was pressed. When the right button was pressed, the animation stopped as per node placements. This was a tutorial on Armory 3D's animation trigger node. Thank you for watching.